Hi, my name is Dan Petruccelli. I'm a 20-year sales veteran specializing in capital equipment and acquisition. I'm the new representative here at Fermat Machinery for all of Canada, and I just wanted to take some time to introduce myself. Working out of Milton, Ontario at Toss America, we have a long relationship with Fermat Machinery, selling machineries into the Canadian market. When I first came to Fermat, I automatically felt a sense of family values. I was welcomed with kindness and walked into a place where I felt as if everyone cared about the product that they were a part of. Our robust build, reliability, and product design make it a sought-after product and one of the top milling machine manufacturers in the world. Focusing on keeping production within the facility, we can control component design, build, and continuously improve manufacturing. Working with our team of top-notch designers and application engineers, Fermat can build you a machine that suits your needs and your customer needs. By accessing our modular design, Fermat will put together the complete machine that will work the best for you. By having the best people working with us in the industry, we here at Fermat Machinery take customer satisfaction as the best form of flattery. And starting with strong materials and a sturdy base, and outfitting it with the world's best and leading technology, Fermat strives to have a machine that'll work for you and with you. Making a world-class machinery starts by filling it with people who are passionate about what they do. And here at Fermat, we have all the capability that we need to build you the best machine possible for your money. We always put customers first, and this shows in the products that we build. From the best people in the industry to working with the best products in the world, Fermat takes pride in producing a superior machine that you can depend on. I am pleased to be a part of the Fermat family of machinery manufacturers and to be a welcome member of Toss America. I look forward to working together with you at Fermat Machinery and at Toss America in Milton, Ontario, Canada. You can reach me at dan@tossamerica.com or visit our website at www.tossamerica.com. Thank you.